here we have the example, solve 2sin𝜃cos𝜃 plus cosine equals 0 on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. And right after this, I'm going to record an extended application or an extended exercise where we will solve for all radian solutions, not just on the interval from 0 to 2 pi, and we will use general solutions. All right, so let's get this started. To solve this example here, it takes experience and practice, but you should look at this and see that we want to solve this with factoring, and we're going to factor by greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is cosine theta, so I'm going to factor that out in front. I'm going to undistribute it. That leaves me with 2 sine theta plus 1 equals 0 right over there. Now that it's factored, even though this doesn't necessarily need parentheses around it, I'll put it there because it helps people remember to do the zero product property next. So really, we're going to go ahead and set cosine theta equal to 0. And we're going to set 2 sine theta plus 1 equal to 0 as well. We're going to subtract 1. And then we're going to divide by 2. We end up with sine theta equals -1 over 2. Now we ask ourselves some really good questions. Cosine theta equals 0. For what angle or angles does cosine of theta between 0 and 2 pi, where does it equal 0? Where is the x value? X moves you left and right. Where is the x value 0? That means you didn't move left or right, but you have to somewhere touch the circumference of that unit circle. If we can't move left or right, x is 0 or cosine 0, we have to go up here or down here. What angles are those?
Pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2.
Perfect. Pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So we get 2 answers from that part of the equation. And now here, so those are these two. I'll color coordinate them in a second. Sine theta equals -1/2. So where on the circle is the y value -1/2? Where on the circle, what angles between 0 and 2 pi is the y value? Down a little bit.
7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6.
You're the best. Good. So already got my highlighter out, so I'll just do that. So 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. And that's right there and right there. And that is the end of this particular example, okay? With the extended exercise, we're going to take a look at how do we not just find the answers between 0 and 2 pi, but how do I find all of the answers, every single one? So if this was helpful and you understand what you're doing and you feel pretty confident, give the video a thumbs up for your records. And if you are still riding the struggle bus and need a little bit more help or support or practice, give the video a thumbs down so that you know to look it over again and I know that you need more help with it. Okay? Have a good day.